I get to see it.
This is Avery's attempt at crawling.
She'd do better if she didn't have the blanket that was.
Well, it's the puke catcher. Oh, see, now she... Very good. You want this? Come and get it. She's like, why do you do that, Mom? Hi, are you gonna crawl?
Check it out.
Go on. Come on. Don't look at that toy. Okay, come on. Come get it. Man, no. You make Mom look like a liar. Here. Hold on, let me get one of these. Okay, you see this purple ball? You should get it. I think so. Here she goes. Oh, look.
Army crawl. Completely over. You didn't even do that.
That was a trick. Oh, there she goes.
We'll go back.
She just doesn't have the balance and the coordination with her legs, yeah. She's like, almost there.
Oh, that's good.
She's like, damn, ball. Hi. She says, Mom.
She's moving her legs though. More than just kicking and flailing.
Good job. You are so smart. Say bye-bye. This is my smart girl. Yes, you are. I'll be crawling in no time. Hi. Okay. Bye-bye.